good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're coming from, and welcome back to my channel. And this is for the love of chemistry. As usual, we make chemistry simple, easy, exciting, and beautiful. All right. So if you are new, please subscribe, follow, like, share, and click the notification bell so you can get any of our new videos posted as soon as it is posted. All right. So today I am continuing with the chemical properties of water, and here we have reaction with oxides of metals. Okay. So the oxides of metals, they have a name which I wouldn't tell you. I would like you to tell me the name. So the oxides of metals, they react with water to produce their corresponding alkalis. They react with water to produce what? Their corresponding alkalis. And those oxides of metals that are soluble in water are called, so they react with water to produce their corresponding hydroxides, please. Corresponding hydroxides. So those oxides of metals that react with water, they are soluble in water. They are called alkalis. So if it's soluble in water, it's an alkali. If it's an oxide of metal, but it's not soluble in water, then it is not an alkali. So when these alkalis dissolve in water, they produce the corresponding hydroxide. So for instance, we have something like sodium oxide, we have calcium oxide, we have potassium oxide, etc. So these are soluble bases. These are soluble basic oxides. So when they dissolve in water, they form the corresponding hydroxide. And because of that, they are called alkalis. So let's look at the reaction. Of course, remember, why is the formula of sodium oxide like this? Sodium has a valency of 1, oxygen has a valency of 2. They exchange the valency. That's why sodium has 2. And there is nothing with oxygen because we don't write 1. So let's see sodium oxide plus water. You already know the formula of water. To give us the corresponding alkali, which is sodium hydroxide. So let's balance the equation. We have 2 atoms of sodium here and 1 atom of sodium here. So at 2, we have 2 atoms of oxygen here, and this 2 has made this 2 atoms of oxygen. We have 2 atoms of hydrogen here, and we have 2 atoms of hydrogen there. So it's a balanced equation, and this is an aqueous solution. Okay. So which of these will have a similar reaction as sodium oxide? Tell me the answer in the comment section. Which of these will have a similar reaction with sodium oxide, and tell me why. And also, I would like you to write the reaction for between these two. One of them will have the same reaction, like it will have a similar equation as sodium oxide. Then write the equation for the one that will not have a similar equation as that of sodium. I hope you get what I asked now. I said, which of these two will have a similar equation? And then amongst the two, the one that won't have a similar equation, write the equation for it. Okay, so I want to make sure that you are following. All right, so